Woodburn China podcast with me, Christina Kohler-Coluccia from Woodburn Accountants and Advisors. Our daily episodes on solving your China business pain points are there to help China leaders, managers, and entrepreneurs with the daily struggles they may be facing while setting up and operating in China. We look at corporate administrative battles such as tax planning, incorporation, accounting, human resource, and labor, as well as cultural and language nuances that may occur. I hope you enjoy the episode. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be looking at whether China is still a manufacturing hub. Is it? China has long been a global manufacturing and production hub, playing a central role in the global supply chain. The country's manufacturing and production capabilities have evolved significantly over the years, and it has become known as the world's factory. Here are some key aspects of China's manufacturing and production landscape. 1, scale and capacity. China boasts a vast manufacturing sector with a huge labor force, extensive infrastructure, diverse industrial capabilities. It can produce a wide range of goods at scale, from electronics and machinery to textiles and consumer goods. 2, global manufacturing hub. China is a major contributor to global manufacturing, supplying a substantial portion of the world's manufactured goods. It serves as a primary source of products for many industries, including electronics, automotive, textiles. 3, export-oriented. Historically, China has been heavily export-oriented, with a significant portion of its manufactured goods being sold overseas. This has contributed to China's substantial trade surplus. 4, manufacturing clusters. China has developed manufacturing clusters in various regions specializing in specific industries. For example, Shenzhen is known for electronics and technology, while Guangdong province as a whole is a hub for manufacturing and export-oriented industries. 5, labor force. China has a large and relatively low-cost labor force, making it attractive for labor-intensive manufacturing activities. However, the labor costs have been rising, leading to a shift towards automation and higher value-added production. 6, supply chain integration. China's manufacturing ecosystem is highly integrated into global supply chains. Many multinational corporations have established production facilities or sourcing operations in China to take advantage of cost efficiencies and access to components. 7, technological advancements. China has made significant investments in technology and automation to improve the quality and efficiency of its manufacturing processes. The country has also become a leader in areas like robotics and industrial automation. 8, sustainable manufacturing. In recent years, China has made efforts to promote sustainable and environmentally friendly manufacturing practices. This includes initiatives to reduce energy consumption, emissions, as well as waste. 9, global sourcing. Many companies worldwide source components and materials from Chinese manufacturers due to competitive pricing and the availability of a wide range of products. I also want to add a little bit tidbit there. Don't underestimate the service level you are getting. In a lot of the less well-developed regions of Southeast Asia, where a lot of the production is moving into, the service quality and the experience that you're getting in terms of sourcing and production is tremendous in China. 10, challenges. Now, despite its strengths, China's manufacturing sector faces challenges. Rising labor costs is one of them, concerns about intellectual property protection, trade tensions with other countries, increasing competition from emerging manufacturing hubs that are in Southeast Asia. 11 is domestic consumption. China's manufacturing landscape is evolving to meet the demands of its growing middle class. There's an increasing emphasis on producing goods for the domestic market, including automobiles, appliances, and consumer electronics. Belt and Road Initiative. China's BR includes investments in infrastructure projects and industrial capacity in partner countries, further extending its influence in manufacturing and production. Now, China's manufacturing and production sector is a crucial part of its economy and continues to adapt to changing global dynamics, including technological advancements, trade policies, and environmental concerns. As it does so, it will likely continue to play a significant role in the global manufacturing sector. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. See you soon. If you enjoyed this episode and you'd like to help support the podcast, please share it with others, post about it on social media, or leave a rating and review. Can Woodburn help you? I am offering a free 30-minute call where we discuss the obstacles you are encountering on your China business journey and how we can help accelerate your success. The link to my diary is in the show notes, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.